Meron sana silang lesson for this class. I should get back to that one. Okay, these are the food. No, you're not eating. You're not eating that, right? But you have your own. Why are we sharing when we have our own? Chop it into half. Okay. We have our beef shawarma. Watch me devour this. Just watch me move it. Let's put this mukbang style. Mukbang style. Look. Actually, look at this. Do not mess this up. This is fun. Okay. This is a very healthy. You've seen videos. Come on. Don't lie. You've all seen videos. First impressions.
Toshinara, dictator.
Không tỏ chồng.
Not really, I just prefer chicken.
What's your chicken usually?
Naman.
I used to order that before, and then I realized sometimes I enjoy chicken.
And then maybe you should order another serving of chicken without the rice. But you know.
Or some kebab.
I don't prefer
Ako rin.
I'm not thinking about like I have chicken for you. That's not chicken for lunch.
Which just finished.
Yeah, that was that.
Second round of sauce.
The lunch.
Lunch because I had leftover wings for everything about for the regular
That
like.
was the lunch. You want to know
Pero when you
It's good by itself.
yung just regular fried
Got it.
chicken
More good.
and fries. So you have fries.
But I miss that. Regular fried chicken without egg.
Yummy.
Without gravy, without just salt and pepper.
No, I added flour.